Okay, so in the last video we had derived these two equations. Now we have to solve the two equations simultaneously. So taking the first equation, I get beta 1 hat is equal to summation yi minus beta 2 hat summation xi. So upon n. So this is nothing but yi bar minus beta 2 hat xi y. So I have beta 1 hat is equal to yi bar, which is the mean value of y, minus beta 2 hat xi bar. So often you might get a question saying that does the regression line pass through mean values of x and y? So the answer is yes, because x bar y bar satisfy the regression equation. So what was my regression equation? My regression equation is yi is equal to beta 1 hat plus beta 2 hat x I plus ui hat. If I take mean throughout, I get yi bar is equal to beta 1 hat, because it's a constant, its mean value remains the same, plus beta 2 hat xi bar, and I know that the mean value of ui hat would be 0, so plus 0. So I get the same equation, and this already I know is true. So because this is true, therefore this also satisfies this equation. So I know that y bar and x bar would be certain numbers. So if I plug in those numbers in this equation, the equation remains satisfied. This is what we want to say. Okay, so now we would be going to the next equation, which is, so I have already derived the value of beta 1. I want to now derive the value of beta 2. So from here I get beta 2 hat is equal to summation yi xi minus beta 1 hat summation xi upon summation xi square. So from here I know that beta 1 hat, so I already know the value of beta 1 hat, so I can write that here and I can get summation yi xi minus beta 1 hat is yi bar minus beta 2 hat xi bar into summation xi upon summation xi square. So now I can take this term on the other side and solve. So if you solve it, you will get the final answer as beta 2 hat is equal to summation xi yi upon summation xi square, and this is the most important form of beta 2 hat. So where small xi actually is summation x minus x bar. So basically summation small xi is summation x minus x bar. Similarly yi is y minus y bar. So wherever I will be writing small x's or small y's, it is actually for the deviation form. Okay, so in this lecture we basically learned how can we derive the values of x and y, beta 1 and beta 2. There is yet another way to derive the values of beta 1 and beta 2, which if you would have ever heard of is called the matrix method. So what happens in the matrix method is that